Hi, I'm Shannon from Matrox Video. As you define your technology requirements for the academic year, your lecture recording equipment should not have to be restricted to only one specialized classroom. You can now make lecture capture a reality in every classroom with just one small, affordable device, Matrox Monarch LCS. It's a standalone network appliance that is simple to set up and integrate into any content management system. Monarch LCS lets you easily stream and record lectures by combining camera and presentation material from SDI and HDMI sources. Once configured, this versatile H.264 encoding appliance lets professors simply walk in and teach without having to interact with the unit. Traditional lecture capture systems have the ability to combine camera and computer content in picture-in-picture, side-by-side, and switching mode. The Monarch LCS offers the same functionality as traditional lecture capture systems, but what sets it apart is its ability to record both inputs independently, yet in sync. Since computer and video signals have different frame rates, Matrox frame synchronizers ensure that both files are perfectly in sync, including the audio. This new way of delivering lectures online enables students to view the lecture in the layout they prefer. A much better viewing experience would be to switch between different viewing layouts. This is done via multi-stream player and would not be possible if inputs were not synchronized. Monarch LCS offers multiple encoding destinations when streaming or recording. When set to recording, an encoding channel captures content in MOV or MP4 files to ensure that video files can be played on virtually any player. Recordings can be stored on local USB drives, SD cards, or network map drives, and made available immediately to a CMS for distance learning. If your workflow includes a media server as a primary recording outlet, the Monarch LCS can deliver RTMP or RTSP protocols to local media servers or cloud-based CDNs. Encoding operations can be triggered ad hoc or using the scheduling feature. Ad hoc recordings can be triggered using the button on the device, the Monarch Command Center, or via third-party controllers. Schedules can be imported manually, or Monarch LCS can be configured to periodically retrieve schedules on your network. The scheduler feature imports open-source iCal files such as those generated by Google Calendar. By allowing you to store recordings locally to a SD or USB drive, Monarch LCS can transfer these files to your school's network at a later time. This store and forward feature reduces risk of network congestion during peak hours, which can result in loss of video quality or loss of content altogether. Monarch LCS simplifies enterprise-level and centrally administered deployments since individuals do not need to interact with the Monarch LCS Command Center web UI. Designed to work in network environments, Monarch LCS is a network appliance that facilitates a seamless integration into existing infrastructures managed by third-party content management solutions, such as Ensemble Video, Kaltura, Presentations to Go, and OpenCast. Matrox Monarch LCS is now available through a network of authorized dealers worldwide. At a breakthrough price, make every classroom a lecture capture room. Monarch LCS, your ideal lecture capture appliance. Visit our website for more information and to request your demo unit now.